Hello everyone, I am Anuradha Varal, Assistant Professor of Computer Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about problems of IT managers. Subject is Information System and Engineering Economics. What is an IT manager? An IT manager is someone who is responsible for the overall performance of company's electronic networks and leads the IT department in fulfill the organization information systems requirements. Focusing on a company's in-house computer networks may involve selecting the hardware and software that is needed for the network, updating the internal servers, or looking at the electronic support systems that can improve workers' productivity. Next point, what is an IT manager do? Means what exactly IT manager work in organization. Most IT managers are fully trained and capable of handling any IT task, from evaluating new hardware to assisting to running capable for the creation of new work areas. An IT manager often recruits and trains system administrator, computer programs and database administrators. By consulting with upper management, an IT manager can determine the organization's IT needs and can then lead their staff in a specific and strategic project. These projects typically adhere to designated budgets and timeline. Problems of IT managers. Top 3 problems IT managers face and how to overcome them. Today's business environment has changed drastically from just a few years back. Rather than working exclusively with equipment, data, and systems, today's IT managers face issues such as cross timing, personal management, interdepartmental communication, and a widening job scope for all IT employees. So, these 3 are the problems of IT manager. Problem 1 is tough data flow. Problem 2, rising cost. Problem 3, insufficient sensitivity concerning data security. So let's see one by one. Problem 1, tough data flow. Information often flows irregularly and is subject to quantitatively strong fluctuations, and this fluctuation can become detrimental if not dealt with. The simple solution is to control the information. Officially, information controlling is the analysis, evaluation, and importance attached to the electronic data that is collected and provided with the data under various criteria. So, to achieve this, start by making employees aware of the importance of the data they help to gather, encourage accuracy, and demonstrate to employees how their active participation in the progress can repeatedly towards they might not have the of. Means because your job as a IT manager will continue to get more and more hectic, you will want to continually look for way to improve the speed and quality while reducing the rising cost. So these are overall of the problem 1, that is tough data flow. Next problem 2, rising cost. Rising costs are a challenge for any manager. They are especially troubling to an IT manager working in the electronic data processing area. Industry experts show that despite various old systems, existing resources are only used about the 30% of their optimal performance, and this leaves room for 70% improvement without an excessively outlay of cash. So, to increase the ROI using existing resources, consider the 3 factors. The 3 factors are conducting a survey of department, next getting clear definition of problems, and next one is looking for a way to integrate. So what is meant by conducting a survey of departments? Ask what their primary challenges are with the existing systems. The majority of the time, the solution lie within the untapped features of existing resources. Search the system for solution and provide them. Then next, getting a clear definition of problem means oftentimes employees may not know how to communicate the problem they face in IT language, and this may relate to an elicited solution. Take a time to work with employees or department heads to clearly outline the challenges, so you are equipped to find the solutions more quickly and accurately. And next one is what? Looking for a way to integrate means what? A smooth flow of information always increase the productivity. When possible, work to find a way to integrate existing systems. With a little ingenuity on your part and a little creativity, you can develop solutions without budget increases. So these are the resources to increase the ROI. Then next problem 3, insufficient sensitivity concerning data security. As the complexity of electronic data processing increases, security often decreases. Not only does this pose problems in the form of breaches, it also has a legal ramification with the regards of licenses. To help others within your organization understand how sensitive certain data is, create a memo or site page explaining means what security measures are currently in the place, why these measures exist, the consequences that is internally and externally for not following the security procedures, and whom to contact with questions, issues regarding security. So these are the 3 problems of IT manager. That is, problem 1 is tough data flow, problem 2 rising cost, problem 3 insufficient sensitivity concerning data security. Thank you.